Many investors focus on investing in large capitalization stocks, which are loosely defined as stocks with above $10 billion of market capitalization. While this strategy works for most, it has the effect of artificially narrowing your investment universe. Moreover, the rise of online brokers, passive index funds, and other investment products has made it easier than ever to capture the benefits of investing in small cap stocks. In this video, I'm going to discuss the many advantages to investing in small cap stocks. To begin, let's talk about the definition of a small cap stock. Small cap stocks are loosely defined as stocks with between $250 million and $2 billion of market capitalization. Stocks that are smaller than this are called microcaps or nanocaps, while stocks that are larger than this are called megacaps, large caps, or midcaps. If you're interested in learning more about the types of companies that dwell within the small cap space, you can use the link in the description of this video to download a free database of all the stocks within the Russell 2000 index, which is the most widely followed benchmark for small cap securities. Moving on, let's talk about the many benefits of investing in small cap stocks. The first reason why investing in small cap stocks is attractive is because of the sheer number of investment opportunities. This is appealing from the perspective of diversification, but also because it allows you to be far more selective when hunting for investment opportunities. For evidence of how much bigger the investment universe is for small cap stocks, you just simply have to look at the benchmarks. The Russell 2000 is the main benchmark for small cap stocks, and, as its name implies, it contains about 2,000 securities. For contrast, the main benchmark for large cap stocks is the S&P 500, which has about 500 securities in it. Said another way, the small cap investment universe has about 4 times as many investment opportunities as its large cap counterpart. The second reason why investing in small cap stocks is attractive is because it's a much less efficient market. Small cap stocks receive much less attention from the financial markets. They receive less analyst coverage and less consideration from the media. What this means for investors is that small cap stocks can remain mispriced for long periods of time. When large cap stocks become disconnected from their intrinsic value, it's usually discovered quite quickly by the markets. This is not the case for small cap stocks, which creates opportunities for investors to go in, buy undervalued small cap stocks, and profit from potential valuation expansion later on. The third reason why small cap stocks are attractive is because they lack institutional ownership. On the surface, it may not be clear why a lack of institutional ownership is beneficial for investors. It comes down to the fundamental principles of supply and demand. When institutional investors begin buying a stock, especially a small cap stock, it creates more buying pressure in the market, which raises stock prices. And, as we know, higher prices lead to lower future returns, all else being equal. Small caps generally do not have this problem because they're so small that they're outside of the investment universes of most institutional investors. This creates better buying prices for the investors who are willing to venture into this space. In fact, one of the sweet spots of self-directed investing is when you can buy a small cap stock that it grows enough to be included in the major market indices. At this point, institutions are forced to buy the security, which leads to a rising stock price and better returns for investors who bought the stock before it was included in the indices. A recent example occurred with Walgreens, which replaced General Electric in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Walgreens stock rose by 4% on the day of the announcement, as institutional investors were forced to buy the stock for their passive index funds. Thank you for watching this video on the benefits of investing in small cap stocks. I invite you to subscribe to this channel and like this video, which will help more people find SureDividend's investor education videos. If you're interested in learning more about our quantitative approach to dividend growth investing, check out our website at www.suredividend.com.